here is what we're doing for our last lesson of the last day. And it's an 8 review page. We didn't do the 9 page, did we? So what you need to do is cut out these numbers. That's the first thing. I'm cutting mine out. And they're just squares, so it's kind of easy. There's the 7. You need 2 of them. It's 2 of the blocks are going to have 7 shapes, and 2 of them are going to have 8. So here's your 8. This is a racetrack 8. You can tell how it's a racetrack 8. Alright. So I wasn't too careful on the lines, was I? But as long as you can see that it's a number 8, that's what's important. So here we are. Here's our paper. And first we're going to count the circles. How many circles are there? Do you remember how we know it's a circle? It's because if we made a dot right in the middle, like in the middle of this one, then from here to all of the dots on the round, all the way around, is the same length from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. All the way around is the same length. That's how we know it's a circle. How many circles are there? Let's put a little dot so we know. I'm going to start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get them all? Yep, there's a dot on each one. So we're going to put some glue right there and put one of our number 7s. There are 7 circles. This says how many triangles. Do you remember how we know it's a triangle? It has 3 angles. These are the angles where the lines come together. These 2 lines come together right there. These 2 lines come together right there. Same thing. All of these are triangles. They have 3 angles and 3 sides. Also 3 lines that make the sides. So how many triangles do you think we have? Should we make a little dot on them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we have 8. So we need to put our number 8 on the blank. And if you think you know how to write them very well, you can even do that. Instead of using my number 8 on the paper, you can write the number 8. Racetrack or snowman, whichever you want. Okay, do you know what these are? They are rectangles. How do we know? Well, because they have those right angles, right? They go straight. Here's 2 lines that come together, so we know it's an angle right there. But it's going straight down and straight across, just like this angle, even on these bigger. All of these are enclosed in a rectangle, right? Here's one. That is a right angle. It's a special angle. Is this a right angle? No, it's too skinny. Okay, so a right angle has to go straight down, straight across, or the other way. It's fine. So they have 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now squares are also rectangles. Do you remember that? Because they have 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square is a special rectangle because it has one more rule. All of the sides are the same length. So this side is the same as this side, is the same as this side, is the same as this side. Is that true here? No, these are long sides. These are short sides. So they are rectangles, but they are not squares. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's put our number 7 right there. Okay, now, if you're just really smart and clever, you know that we only have one number left. So how many squares are there going to be? You're right, 8. But let's just count to make sure. Now these are squares, and they're also rectangles, but they are special rectangles because all the sides are the same length. So they have 4 right angles. All the sides are the same length, so they are squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As we suspected, there are 8 squares.